Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn Spring Tool Suite IDE, STS3 and STS4 differences and how to launch STS4. Before moving forward, I would like to tell you something related to Spring Tool Suite IDE. Means what is Spring Tool Suite? So Spring Tool Suite is an IDE to develop Spring applications. It is built on top of Eclipse and it provides a ready to use environment for creating our enterprise levels applications using Spring and Spring Boot. So we can implement the changes, we can run the changes, deploy the changes, and then debug the application. One of the key features of Spring Toolsuite is that it validates our application and provide quick fixes for the applications. And the latest version of Spring Toolsuite is 4.6 and it provides a better Spring tooling support for your favorite coding environments. It is built in such a way that the Spring tooling can be applied to other development environments Visual Studio, Thea, and there are a lot of other development tools which can leverage the functionalities provided by Spring Toolsuite 4. Besides this, Spring Toolsuite 4 also provides a lot of inbuilt features like it is mainly created for developing applications using Spring Framework, Spring Boot. The new generation of Spring Tool, that is Spring Toolsuite 4, provides world-class development support for Spring applications. It means that it knows very well the nature of the Spring applications. It is IDE agnostic. IDE agnostic means that no matter which development IDE you are using, we can integrate the features of Spring Toolsuite 4 with the choice of IDE you are working on. And the another feature that is built in STS4 is its performance. Since STS4 is created from scratch, so it provides better improvement in terms of while development we will the applications runs in a separate process, so it provides better tooling, it provides better integration with other technologies, so it has all the things on the same platform. So let us see the demo in which I will show you the differences in the setup for STS3 and STS4, and then we will launch STS4. Before moving on to the demo, these are the links through which you can download STS4 and STS3. You just need to download the archives and then we will. So if you can see on my screen that Spring Toolsuite 3 comes with a archive and Spring Toolsuite 4 has an extension of .jar. It means that Spring STS4 is available to you in jar format, .jar format. So we need to extract both these setups. So I already have extracted on my system in order to reduce the time. So in case of STS3, we have STS bundle inside the archive, and then inside that we have STS3.9.12 release folder, which is having the STS.exe. We just need to click on this exe, so it will launch your application. But in case of STS4, we have a different architecture. So if you can see on my screen, so we have metadata, UI, and content zip. So content zip contains the setup. So I already have extracted it on my system. Inside the context, you will find an folder STS 4.6.1 release, since this is the latest release. at the time of making this video. Inside that you will find Spring Tool Suite 4 exe. The name has been changed in STS4, so you need to click on this in order to launch this application. So while launching, if you find any error related to the path, so you need to configure the Java path, JDK path in the environment variables. So once the application will be launched, it will ask us for a workspace. So I have not selected any other. By default, it Spring Tool Suite has selected this location for my workspace, so I will use the same. I will click on launch. Once the application will be launched, we will see the Spring Boot dashboard. So this is the dashboard, this is the project area, and this is the boot dashboard where we can find the information of the servers. And then we have an outline, and then this is the basically the area through which. And if you are on STS3 and you wanted to upgrade to STS4, so what you can do is like you can go to the Eclipse market space, and you from there you can find the add-on plugin for STS4. So you can install that plugin, and then you have all the features that STS4 provides in your STS3 tool. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the rate codecraft shop. Thank you.